Hello everyone, I am Soumyashree Senapati, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering at Vedang Institute of Technology, welcoming you in my soil mechanics class. So, in our previous soil mechanics class, we have discussed the Atterberg limits. So, in Atterberg limits, we know that in case of soil, there will be three phases. First phase is your semi-solid phase and another one is your plastic phase, next liquid phase. So, in that class we have discussed these liquid limit, plastic limit and some indices. So, but we have not discussed the how to determine the liquid limit. So, in this class we will discuss how to determine liquid limit. So, to determine liquid limit, we need to know the what is liquid limit. That it is the phase of water content between plastic and liquid phase of soil. So, in between the three phases, that is semi-solid, plastic and liquid, the phases between plastic to liquid will be termed as liquid phase. So, it is the minimum water content in the soil where behaves as plastic material. So, where after that phase, it will behave like, it will not behave like plastic. So, when the minimum water content will be added and it will behave as plastic material, that phase will be termed as liquid limit. And also in this phase, it will face what? Least amount of shear strength. So, liquid limit is the phase where it will face least amount of shear strength. And shear strength is what? The resistance power will be minimum. Okay. So, how to determine this liquid limit? To determine liquid limit, we need to use Cassegrain's apparatus. So, here is the apparatus. This apparatus is termed as Cassegrain's liquid limit apparatus. In this apparatus, we need the amount of soil, and here we have the plate and the groove. Okay. So, what we will do? We will take some amount of soil and we will start oven drying that amount of soil. So, after oven drying, we will take 120 gram of air dried soil. Okay. And it will pass through 425 micron sieve. 425 micron sieve. Okay. So, after passing through 425 micron sieve, we will took that 120 grams of soil into this plate. Okay. Next, arbitrarily mix certain amount of water and make a paste. Okay, what we will do? We will do add some water in this soil and we will make a paste. After making the paste, what we will do? We will cut this soil like this, like V shape, by using the groove. Okay. After using the soil with water we add, then we will cut it in V shape from middle of the plate. Okay. So, then what we will do? We will put the soil and here. What we will do? We need to perfectly shape it in V shape. Then by using this handle, what we will do? After we cut it, then we will start rotating the handle. So, the handle rotation will be speed of 2 RPS. RPS is what? Revolution per second. Okay. So, we will put the soil and start revoluting the handle in speed of 2 RPS till the groove closes. Okay. Normally, we need to apply 15 to 30 numbers of what? Revolutions. Then count the number of blows at the end of experiment. Then what we will do? We will count the number of blows what we have done before. Then take certain amount of soil from the top to determine water content. What we will do? What we can see here, this cot, this soil from this side and here from this side is going near to each other. Okay. Also, after the completion of blows, this V shape will be little closer. Next, take at least 5 number of trials. So, these 2 RPS revolutions, we will took this test for at least 5 numbers. Then 5 numbers what? Blows will be 15 to 35 numbers. We will do 5 number of trials. So, from these 5 number of trials, we will have one what? Flow curve. So, how to prepare that flow curve? Here you can see, here is the flow curve. So, what we have taken here, these flow curve, here is the y-axis and x-axis. So, this x-axis shows you number of blows and this y-axis shows the moisture content in percentage. Okay. First, what we have done, in our first test, we have done some number of blows. Let's take that 25 numbers of blows. In case of our first test, we have 25 numbers of blows, but the water content we have, that will be vary. So, in 25 number of blow, what is the moisture content, we will note it down. Okay, that will be 30, that will be 35 or anything. Like that, we will have second, third, fourth and fifth. Fifth test, and after having those tests, we will got the values that and make this flow curve, right? So, from this, here is the graph showing that 25 of number of blows shows moisture content as in between 25 to 30. And so, what will be the nearer value? We will take that value as the liquid limit. Okay. So, there will be also one formula to find out what is liquidity index. Liquidity index is nothing but your water content. Water content is the normal soil water content minus plastic limit. So, how to find out plastic limit, we will discuss later. Minus plastic limit divided by liquid limit minus plastic limit. So, but how to find out liquid limit? So, to find out liquid limit, here is the formula, this. Okay. Liquid limit is nothing but moisture content. W is for moisture content into N by 25. N is your number of blows divided by 25 to the power tan beta. So, we considered this tan beta value as 0.121. Okay, N is your number of blows and W is your corresponding moisture content. So, let's solve one question. Here is the question that find out liquid limit at 10 number of blows if moisture content is 70. So, how to solve this? Let's, N is your 10 and W is your 70. So, how to find out liquid limit? Your liquid limit will be 5 into tan beta to the power tan beta, that is 0.121. Okay. 70, 10 by 25. As your number of blows is given as 10. So, we are putting here 10. If there will be calculation of 20 number of blows, so we will put here 20. So, 10 by 25 28 to the power 0.4 to the power 0.895 62.65. So liquid limit in percentage, your liquid limit value is 62.65%. Similarly, if there will be change in moisture content or change in number of blows, we can put those values in this formula and can get the answer. So here we have learned about how to solve all those, how to get proper liquid limit value from the procedure and by using also the formula. So to know how to find out plastic limit, you need to stay tuned. Thank you so much.